So for today's trade of the day, we're looking at spot gold on Monday the 13th of May 2013, short from 1434.5. This is what we call a continuation short, so we're expecting the market to break again further down. This is due to the heavy downtrend on a combination of different time frames, the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart, both of which pointing to lower prices. Just looking at one of our indicators there, really telling us the way this market's more likely to go. Looking at the 15-minute chart here, we can see a number of moves really in the overnight session. So Sunday night leading to a short, taking us all the way down here. See the sniper circle here, and then to the long side just here with the green outline, seeing prices then push high, which is nice. Not really times of the day that we're really trading. So textbook trade really came as we launched the workshop. The continuation trade 1434.5 here, looking to target down to that 1427 area. So really looking for about sort of 75 points or so. Risking up to the top here, so you're looking risking about sort of 50 points, 45, 50 points there to pick up about 75. So pretty decent risk reward there. First target is really these little dotted lines here, and we perhaps may expect a short period of support there before hopefully they're moving on down to these lows points. So let's see what happens. And of course, over the first few bars as the workshop finished, we're about sort of 15, 20 points to the good, if not a little bit more at one stage for the trade, and seeing prices continue to move down and the indicators holding red there throughout. As prices move down, we can then see us touching that support area there come 9:15, and actually realizing that first target in that 1429 area there. So a nice move to start with, and actually picking up around sort of 50 points or so come sort of an hour and a quarter into the trade. As the trade continues, we actually find a little bit of support off that first target. Not surprisingly really, because that's what a target should do. You should find support off a target area. So really a good target zone. And then from there, you see a little bit of a bounce. Remember though what we like to do here at TrendSignal, we like to do something called set and forget. So actually put a stop in, put a target in, look to see what happens. Was your stop going to hit first, or was your target going to get hit first? In this example, here's my target. Hits my target zone, so there we go, looking for this area here, 1427, goes through that line there, about 3 or 4 points through that support area, hits our target, and from there the market rallies. The good news is that was a good 70-point profit there on this market in 2 or 3 hours. So 70 points. £1 a point, of course that's £70 there, that's very nice. But what if you're doing that £10 a point, that's potentially 700 quid there on that trade in a couple of hours work. It's pretty nice, and the important thing is, very easy to identify with the trend signal indicators there. Trend signal is simply all about the colours of the indicators. The more red indicators you have, the more we want to short it. The more green indicators you have, the more we want to buy it. It is as simple as that, and we'll teach you exactly what you need to know to identify those trades there. So gold, first trade of the week there, really nice move, and getting that week off to a fantastic start. And we hope for a lot more as the week carries on. Thanks a lot for listening.